Assalamualaikum Doctor. We are from Group 16, Innovate about Eos E-Vigilante Robot. Here our group member.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nura Adira binti Zakri and I would like to present about abstract and discussion. For abstract, the main initiative of supply chain management today have to consider widely spread model and concept used in the solution of contemporary logistic problem. Integrated logistics as a system-wide management of entire logistic chain as a single entity, instead of separate management of individual logistic function. Integrated logistics support is an integrated and imperative process for developing material and a support strategy that optimizes functional support, leverages existing resources, and guide the system engineering process to quantify and lower life cycle costs and decrease the logistic footprint. Solution on this field can be re-engineered in agreement with fundamental logistic variables as time, information, and resources. Because of the way that administration spreads specific characteristics, their improvement contains from conventional item advancement and requires adjusted development and advanced innovation, the executive form. The creation of administration typically requires the cooperation.
My name is Idina Shahira binti Muhammad Nasir. My metric number is A18A0180. I will present about motivation, background, and expected contribution. ID Logistic, one of the French leaders in contract logistics, was announcing a partnership with EOS Innovation, a robotic service company founded in March 2010. This partnership will enhance the security of ID logistic warehouses through the rollout of E-Vigilante, an innovative robot device delivering optimum security and greater responsiveness and flexibility.
My name is Muhammad Amirul Afif bin Muhammad Hanafi. My metric number is A1086. Okay, now I will continue the presentation in the part of problem statement. Problem statements are widely used by most business and organizations to execute process improvement project. A simple defined problem statement will be used by the project team to understand the problem and work toward developing a solution. Okay, the most issue and problem happen in the warehouse is union thief. This situation usually happen among the warehouse employee who is work in the conjunction with dishonest truck driver to steal from the company. Okay. This situation happen because warehouse employee has knowledge of what's coming and going in the warehouse. The warehouse employee thief the merchandise in outgoing shipment, then modify the paperwork to cover his truck before the truck driver remove the merchandise from the warehouse. Okay. The next issue and problem is high labor cost. Okay, a typical warehouse use expensive equipment and employ a large labor force presenting a challenge that is for the most part unique to warehouse operations. After that, warehouse need more workers to make sure the safety and security environment in the warehouse. Safety, security environment, and merchandise look neatly arranged are the objective and the key of the successful warehouse, so that the warehouse need more workers to achieve the objective. Okay, the next issue in the warehouse is redundant process. Redundant process is very important in the warehouse to make sure the process in the warehouse moving smooth. A notable redundant process in warehouse is where warehouse worker pass the same ticket through multiple times. The redundant procedure will consume the time on the current process in the warehouse happen. This is because this warehouse cannot maximize the resource utilization. Okay, now I will pass the presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to our lecturer and my friend. Today, before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nur Azlim binti Muhammad Yusof. My metric number NYA0462. Today, I want to present about the model EOS E-Vigilante Robot. This robot is the one of the advancement made by our company to encourage logistics in warehouse activity. The development of EOS E-Vigilante Robot is additionally to eliminate the issue confronted by the people in carrying out and propelling their everyday undertaking each day. This versatile independent robot has a different capacity and benefit to the comfort of the warehouse industry logistics stage. This robot also has a various function for performing in security, finding goods in warehouse, inspecting goods from all aspects, alarm confirmation, and real-time alert detect instruction and fire in the warehouse with a larger surface area. Okay, for function, this robot firstly in security, uh, uh, to cover the surface out to 50,000 meter square feet in washing with a speed between 40 km per hour to identify any distribution irregulative or development within the distribution center. It to maintain a strategic distance from any distant waste area. Okay, secondly, finding goods in the warehouse. This service made easy to find items in the warehouse arrangement on the shelf easily and quite quickly. Furthermore, it can save time during the process of finding the desired good in the short time in warehouse that it has a larger surface area and it can even save manpower. Unlimited movement further facilitates the process of finding items without obstacle and problem during the process of finding item performed by this robot. Okay, for inspecting goods from all aspects. It also expects good from all aspects, including in terms of quality and quantity goods in the warehouse. Furthermore, it can also find out of the item in a good condition or not. If the goods are damaged or any problem, the problem report will automatically be sent to the warehouse service center. This is to ensure that condition of the customer goods in the warehouse is always monitored. Okay, for alarm confirmation, it's to a further observing center to form it easier for the administrator to function the robot from separate to perform caution confirmation. For this case, video or audio data has been recorded by this robot. It will be put away. It can be utilized as proof on the off change that an examination is done. The improvement of our client daily life with the robot, we have given effectively security arrangement. Okay, for the last, real-time alert detect instruction and fire. Any instruction fire burglary after the occurrence is identified at the scene. In this robot will alarm its administrator at inaccessible observing center and send real-time video or audio input through our area of the occurrence. Okay, for prototype Eos E-Vigilante Robot. Firstly, it a full view. The robot is a top view, slide view, back view. Characteristic this robot is length 70 cm, weight 74 cm, height 48 cm, weight 48 kilogram. Loss range detection center 20 meter to 50 meter. Mobility and velocity speed out to 8 kilometer per hour. Fully automatically recharging 10-hour battery life. Moderate at a sensor dependent on your need. HD video feedback, night and day vision, fire outbreak detection, terminal camera. Okay, that's all for me. I want to pass net presenter.
Okay, for discussion, we have four topic we have to discuss, which is that connected human security guard to speak to them through loudspeaker. So the company has made rules to prevent some of this problem, like the production of Eos E-Vigilante Robot. This is a programmably tricycle technology that can be arranged to patrol any space via a predictable route. The robot then continues to monitor the environment with night vision camera, motion detector and microphone, and then report back to its colleagues and will most likely to be stopped. Second is can reduce time. Using this robot will be able to save time because time is very important. Of course, using a robot will be able to shorten warehousing time. This is because the use of robot will definitely speed up the delivery time. The third is why we need to use this robot because it can save costs. As it's known that warehousing processes or activity require a large and skilled workforce in handling large and various goods in warehouse, and the cost of skilled workers is also too high, causing this robot to produce and have a positive impact on company performance, save on company furniture costs. And the last is track the goods in the warehouse and also where it goes, whether it's detect the good or thief will try to steal the good in the warehouse. Therefore, by using EOS E-Vigilante Robot will know something would that happen in the warehouse and continue to adapt in the computer. Therefore, it will be able to continue to detect who is trying to intrude or steal in the warehouse, thus facilitating better security measures. The fault of the employee who mistreat and mentality of each item in the warehouse causes some customers to complain about the service in the company. That is why companies must update their technology system because of the problem. So with the EOS E-Vigilate process, it's easy to run a report from the movement and control of this robot that are linked with gift manager and power. That is the answer they need quickly and efficiently. So there are many more uses of EOS E-Vigilate robot that can be explained, but for our innovation as list above. Thank you.
Last, for expected contribution, as a result, our group with just a new innovation product via ID Logistics will innovate EOS E-Vigilante Robot becomes expected to contribute several of the advantages of logistic management. First of all, it provides a domestic service in each of the country where it operates without any international freight forwarding activity. It because ID Logistics is a freewheeling supplier of 4PL solution. This ensures that they will handle the relationship with all of their supply chain supplier on their behalf, streamlining and maximizing their logistic activities. Creation of sustainable management practices leads everything to an effective activity that streamline activity and conserve energy that increases employee efficiency and lower costs. Besides, it will able to work on medium and long-term project by increased productivity and lower cost. It is because sustainable development attempt to avoid that initiative make a significant contribution to corporate profits. That's all from us. Thank you.